Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here another comparison review of smartwatches. And again, we are going to compare the Colmi C8 Max smartwatch with another smartwatch in the market. And that smartwatch is the AOLON GTS Smartwatch, a popular, affordable, and simple sporty smartwatch from AOLON. So we are going to compare the design and some of the specifications of both smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding this comparison review of the C8 Max smartwatch compared with the AOLON GTS smartwatch, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start and compare the Colmi C8 Max with the AOLON GTS. But before we proceed to the design, we do have here some details on the screen display. It is a 1.83-inch TFT LCD, while for our C8 Max, we do have a 1.93-inch IPS LCD. We do have here the pixel resolution, almost the same pixel resolution. Both do have a feature for Bluetooth call as well as health and sports functions. Okay, so let's proceed with the smartwatch. Again, this is the C8 Max smartwatch and the other one is the AOLON GTS smartwatch. As you can see here, both do have a rectangular body frame, with the GTS a bit smaller compared to our Colmi C8 Max smartwatch. For the material, the C8 Max has a metal body frame, while the GTS, it's all plastic. Okay, simple, ordinary, or sporty looking smartwatch. We do have here a push button, power button, while for our C8 Max, it is a crown button with the rotating function. And we also have here an extra button for the optional functionality. You can set this one to open the games, a health function, or sports function. So this is the function of this one is customizable. Then for the design, let's have a closer look. On the side, on the back, wireless charging, this one is pogo pin. On the other side, they almost have the same thickness here. Okay, both do have a quick release pin for its strap, stainless steel, plastic for our C8 Max, stainless steel for our GTS. Okay, so for the design, of course, obviously the C8 Max is much better, but for those who are looking for a lightweight, simple design smartwatch, the GTS might be the one that they are looking for. A simple, minimalistic body frame. Okay, so for the UI, on top we have the settings here. The same with our Colmi C8 Max. But for our GTS here, more information is provided. As you can see here, I like the layout here of the GTS. For me, when it comes to the layout here on the top section, the GTS is much better. For the other side, we have the split screen. So this one, notifications. On the right side, we have the different cards here. Okay. On the bottom part, we have a one-page common application here. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, common apps here, and we do have the all apps. While for our GTS, I think it's notification. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button. And we have here the different functionalities for each smartwatch. We have the activity tracking. We have the health here, heart rate. When it comes to UI, I like the UI here of the GTS. It is categorized, or what we call it is in a folder mode. Okay, so easy to access. For example, you want health, just go to the health section. Okay, we have here the heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. Here on our C8 Max, it is in the main menu. Okay, then we have here the details. We have breathing guide, sleep monitoring, music control function. Go back. Let's check the heart rate. We have the heart rate here. Let's see the heart rate here. Health and the heart rate. Okay, so which is better when it comes to UI? I like this one. Much simpler and direct. Other features here. Do have the games, the utilities. You almost have the same features here. With the C8 Max, we do have here the world clock. We don't have it here. Other than that, they almost have the same features. Okay, so let's proceed with the sports function. Both do have a Bluetooth call connectivity or Bluetooth call features. So where's the sports? We do have the exercise here. We have the activity. Exercise. Okay. So both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions, as you can see here. Okay. So I think for sports function, both do have a good feature here. It's almost complete. I think it's more than 100 for both smartwatches. Okay. Let's check more. As you can see here, you can also add your own sports. It's categorized in different sports functions. The same with our GTS here. Go back, go back. Activity, sleep monitoring, message notifications. We also have here the voice assistant, menstrual cycle, breathing guide. We also have it here, I think. We have a shutter remote. We have relaxation, timer, stopwatch. We also have the games. Here in the utilities, as you can see here, we have the e-card, stopwatch, timer, calculator, flashlight. We have cycle tracking, weather report, calculator. Let's see for the settings. Settings, display section, vibration ring, do not disturb mode, media audio, heater mode, dynamic island. We also have here the password and a system. Okay, so that's it for the different features and menus of the Colmi C8 Max smartwatch compared with our GTS, AOLON GTS smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review of the two smartwatches, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.